YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, so let me explain. This is a different type of video. It is a review video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a slime package from kawaiicloud.com. This is how it looks. It's in a paper bag and it says slime package with the heart on it. I feel squishy. So I ordered 2 slimes from her, 1 butter and 1 regular. Let's see what we get. First thing I see is a donut squishy. It smells so weird. Oh my god, this extra. I didn't order this, so I'm pretty sure this is an extra. This is the slow risingness. It's pretty slow rising actually. So this is how it is. It's a donut, obviously, with sprinkles on it. It has a lot of sprinkles. It has a tear in it, and it's kind of dirty, so I feel like she gave it to me and it was hers. I don't know, but oh yes. And then we have Kinetic Sand. Oh my god. I love kinetic. Oh my god, this feels so weird. It's kind of dry. Doesn't kinetic sand like never dry, but it feels kind of dry. It feels kind of weird. Why am I playing with it like if it's slime? I'm weird. Okay, let's put that away. Because this is not what we came for. We came for the slime. Okay, so I really love those extras. They're actually really nice. Let me just move all that dirt off the way, because there's like some kinetic sand bits here. Okay, so there we go. These were the extras she gave me. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like some white powder on the kinetic sand like top, so it's kind of weird, but whatever. And then we have a note, which I'm going to read right now. I just need to finish. Oh, then we got borax. Well, I think this is borax. It looks kind of like baking soda, but I'm pretty sure it's borax. So these are the extras: the squishy, kinetic sand, and borax. Thank you so much for that, Kawaii themselves. I ordered 2. I ordered the birthday cake butter slime and the pineapple regular slime. But looking at this doesn't really look like pineapple slime. It just looks green, but whatever. Maybe there's like some green on the top or something. So now let's get to the note. So look, it says orders and instruction. Thank you for shopping at kawaiicloud.com. Here's your order. 1 8-ounce birthday cake butter slime, which is $10. 1 8-ounce pineapple slime, which is $13, and the total is $28. Instruction: if slime melts, reactivate it with borax that I have given you. It says pour one little cup, which is this, of borax into 1 ounce of hot water and mix thoroughly, then add into slime. And then it says do not eat. Thank you for shopping at Kawaii Cloud, and then it shows her Instagram at KawaiiCloud123. So that is a no. And I'm going to start with the butter slime because I'm excited because I've actually never touched butter slime before. This is not butter slime. Oh, I don't know if it is because I've never touched it before, but to me it kind of feels like regular slime. And it has glitter in it, but like the white, it's supposed to be like plain white. Like this looks kind of cloudy if you say. Like, I'm gonna go bring my bucket of white glue so you can see the difference. So I have my big bucket. This doesn't look like white. It doesn't look like it. She made it and then she just put it in the bucket. It looks like she played with it like on the floor or something and it got dirty. I'm gonna like play with it without talking or anything so you guys could hear the sounds. Okay, so that are the sounds. And one more thing I have to complain about is the packaging is actually kind of like busted. There's like cracks around here and around there. And I ordered an 8-ounce. It should be filled about up to here, and it's not. So I think I shouldn't be charged $10 because this doesn't look like an 8-ounce slime. It looks like a 3-ounce. It can fit in a 3-ounce bottle. This is really all it takes up. So I don't really like that it does that. So that is the birthday cake butter slime. And again, this is not even butter slime. It's regular slime. And here's her logo, a little cloud right there. Looks like a cloud poop. And then we have the pineapple slime. Ew, this feels like watery. Oh my god. It leaves like weird residue on your hands. And it's like hard. I don't know if you could see it, but like it's really stringy. Oh my god, and it has hairs in it. Ew. That's disgusting. And this doesn't even look like pineapple. Pineapple is orange and green. This is just pure green with green glitter in it. This is not pineapple slime. I don't know if she got the orders mixed up or something, but this is not pineapple slime. Again, the packaging is very busted. Cracks here, cracks everywhere. That's how it looks. Pretty badly. I'm going to try to turn on the light so maybe you could see better. That didn't do anything. Whatever. Okay, so let me just give you some shots of it, like, by itself with no talking so you can hear the sounds. Again, is this 8-ounce slime? Like, this really looks like a 3 or 4. It can fit in a 3 or 4 ounce slime. Like, let me show you. This one's actually less than the birthday cake one. This is so bad. God, and leaves my floor like wet. I honestly don't know if you can hear those pokes because they're not like really loud at all. So those were the 2 slimes. This is what I got from her. I honestly think I like the extras better than the actual slime. Like, this slime was doo-doo. I paid $23 for this. Doo-doo. I don't really like this at all. I don't like it. But one thing I want to try out is this. Take some kinetic sand. Oh my. Oh god, this feels weird. Experiment video. It was kind of cool. I actually like the way this looks. Adding the kinetic sand in. The only thing I say is it makes it kind of hard, but it actually feels kind of like a cloud slime when you do that. But yeah, whatever. So that's how it looks. With the kinetic sand in it. I actually like it better than I like it with kinetic sand than just nothing in it, but I like this better. This is a great slime. Okay. And I just found out that this is not borax because when I went to go before, like when I got the package, I actually took a peek at it, and this is not this is baking powder. Because I touched the actual borax and the borax feels a little like sandy, like it feels kind of weird, and it doesn't feel like borax. So the only thing I would think it is baking soda. So she lied. That is not at all borax. Let me throw that out and put this new slime in it. Okay. I guess that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on any other video suggestions, or in other words, any videos that you would want me to do. And bye guys. Okay, so one more thing. Before this video ends, I'd like to say that this is fake. There is no company called Kawaii Cloud. I made it up. And it's just a little fun skit. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. And bye guys.